Hello everyone, welcome to the club of fearless speakers. Today's topic is all about helping verbs was and were. Yes, as we discussed yesterday, helping verbs am, is, are in the present tense, but was, were in the past tense. When we talk about the past actions, we use was and were. Okay, yes. See here, was and were as a main verb. How we are gonna use as a main verbs? See, they were my friends. Means in the past, they were my friends, I'm telling, right? Rahul was a student. In the past, Rahul was a student. Okay, like this we are telling. And cats were hungry. Means in the past, I'm talking, cats were hungry. Okay, like this we are using as a main verb. There is no extra verb, right, in this sentence. See, Rahul was a student. Means here only one verb is that was. So here that's why we can call it as here was is the main verb. Okay, they were my friends. In the past, I'm talking, they were my friends. Is there any extra verb in this sentence? No, only one verb, that is were. So that's why we can call it as main verb. Okay, now we'll take helping verbs. How we are using helping verbs in the past? See, she was playing, she was eating, she was crying, she was washing the clothes. So these all are actions. I'm talking about past actions. Okay, yes, these all are actions are done already. Okay, so all these actions are we can express in past tense, means past continuous tense. As we discussed in past continuous tense, we have already learned, right? So was, were we can use in past continuous tense. Yes, when we use was in the sentence, along with that ing form of the verb we must use. When we talk about the past continuous tense. Okay? Yes. See here the examples are they were playing and she was eating. Okay. They were dancing. She was writing the exam in the past. All these actions are in the past. Okay, this is all about the helping verbs was and were. You must write few more examples. Please try to write the examples. Then you can understand the helping verbs easily. Yes. Next, let's get into our daily routine. Funny's motivational quote of the day. Today's motivational quote, you are not just preparing for a test. You are preparing for a bright future. So keep going and success will follow. Next, word of the day. Today's word is ghastly. Okay, synonym is horrible. An example, the whole thing was a ghastly mistake. Okay, it is the example. Next, math of the day. Today's math question is, if a train travels at a speed of 23 miles per hour and the journey takes 14 hours, so how far does the train travel? So it is the question. Please read it, understand it and solve this question. Twisting with tongue twister. Today's tongue twister is Willy's Wiley Wuzzle vaulted with Wendy in the winter wind. Yes, repeat it more times. Willy's Wiley Wuzzle vaulted with Wendy in the winter wind. Okay? Willy's Wiley Wuzzle vaulted with Wendy in the winter wind. Willy's Wiley Wuzzle vaulted with Wendy in the winter wind. Willy's Wiley Wuzzle vaulted with Wendy in the winter wind. Willy's Wiley Wuzzle vaulted with Wendy in the winter wind. Yes, practice it more times. Next, riddle of the day. Today's riddle is, I fly without wings. I cry without eyes. Whenever I go, darkness follows me. Yes, what am I? Please unlock this riddle. Next, jumbling word of the day. Today's jumbled word is TIFYGRA. Yes, synonym is content and antonym is annoy. Yes, please unscramble this jumbling word.
Now it's time to discuss the speech of the day. And today's speech is all about atmosphere, air. So, what is the role of atmosphere in our daily life? So, what exactly atmosphere is all about? So, how it changes? What are all the effects are there? So, all these things we need to make like a speech. So, try to learn about atmosphere and make your own speech. How, what exactly atmosphere affects our daily life and the role of it, right? Now, next thing is last and final thing. Few sentences on introducing self introduction and introducing others to someone. So, like when you have to introduce yourself, like so and so, my name is, I am from, I'm doing like this. So, same way, he is so and so, he is working or he is studying, whatever it is. So, how do you introduce others and yourself? So, make some sentences so that you will understand the importance of introducing yourself and introducing others. So that's all about day 6 of V6. Will continue and thank you until then.